Welcome everyone. Today we will be unboxing a Category 8 Ethernet cable from D-Billion-DA. Now let's get started. Wow, look at that. Gold-plated Ethernet connectors, and it's a 20-foot cord. Very resistant material. Pretty durable. It says it's UV proof and allows for 40 gigabytes per second data transmission and a 2000 megahertz bandwidth. You can see the gold plating here. And it's an RJ45 connector, so that means it should be compatible with any device that requires an Ethernet port, such as consoles or computers or any servers or routers. Now let's get a close-up view on the Ethernet cable. Wow, look at that quality. It appears to have a very durable spring and also a bit of a connection at the top prevents snagging. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching, and have a nice day.